Hi everyone, we are back. This radio, I bought it long time ago from Antiques, second-hand auction. It's not like an auction, it's a larger place where people they come and abandon their old materials. This is old, have been deposited there long time ago, and I bought it also long time ago. It's about maybe 10 years back. I don't really remember how long from the time it was with me, but I had no time to repair. It's a problem. It's not working. It has problems inside, which I have no idea about. And it's full with dirt and dust like you see here and everywhere. Therefore, it's better for me and for us to go first and clean it, then I will come back to you. Okay, here it is. And it looks better after cleaning. And by merely looking at it, I observed that there are some traces of a repair, as though I repaired it in the past. But honestly, I don't remember anything. I have zero memory about that. See? So, we will discover that. We have those batteries, we are going to install them and try to test. So like this. And there is no cover for the batteries. Do you know why it's not having anything here? It doesn't have any cover here. Let's put this screw, hoping it will help. Okay. And this is the on-off. Oh, that's fine, you know what I'm saying? So now it's time to review this radio. It's nice, actually. This is the MW. Has 3 bands, MW, SW, and FM. Very nice radio. الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله. Very nice. SW. SW is not going to work in this closed room, but we will give it a try. No, there is nothing, but it's working nicely, no problem. I don't know if we put some no, it's not working good. So what about FM? It is working, but it's not going to receive anything here. Why? Because we are in a closed room. And this is FM. There is a problem with FM. There is a problem with the band selector. FM needs repair. Well, it will take time to repair. Okay, now it's very clear to me that I did repair this radio in the past. You can see my traces. Secondly, if you look at the power supply and this congestion of duct tapes and these things, this is definitely needs to be refined and get rid of this duct tapes and arrange it a little bit. There are issues here. This radio is definitely a very old radio, like in the 80s. This is very clear from the PCB, and the use of jumpers. This is the old way. Too many jumpers, too many wires are used in the PCB. But there is an IC, and it's at the middle of the PCB. It must be used for radio amplification stages. So we're going to find out that. I want you also to look at this connection here. The use of a capacitor filter in a very strange connection to filter the FM supposed to be. Okay, I did that, but this is not usual. It shouldn't be like that. Okay, you can see that the antenna wire is loose, needs to be tightened. Another issue is the strange use of ceramic capacitor filtration by connecting to poles. Like, for example, this is the positive pole, and from the other side also, the negative pole, there is another capacitor connect. That's very weird, I have to say. Also, this red wire is not connected to anything, and it seems to me it is for the positive rail. We have to find out where it is connected. So we have a lot of difficulties in this radio. Let's go together and just fix them one by one if we can, because it's really very strange. Look at this wire. Look at the way it's connected there. That's fine. Shouldn't be like that. So it's very clear that a lot of effort has been done so far. It was difficult, but we found it on page 272. You can see this, the circuits here. It's on 272. Here's the one. Here's the one. It's an EM tuner, EM and EM, FM. FM and AM IF amplifier circuit. So it's for the radio, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So now we can take information from here about the circuit. I see. Okay. We're going to go back for this later, but we found it. Alright, this is the typical circuit. It's for AM and FM, the coils, the IFTs, qualifications. Alright, okay. Okay, now we have the data sheet, and that's nice because it really gave us necessary information. This is the integrated circuit, and it says that it has high gain FM IF amplifier and excellent EM automatic gain control. Well, that two things actually are very important. So in short, this integrated circuit is an IF stages amplifier for both EM, which is short wave and medium wave, and also for FM, and that's nice. So from above, those are the input and output of the AM intermediate frequency IF, and from down, from pin 1 to 8 is for FM. Okay, so those two important things: high gain FM IF amplifier, and also high gain IF amplifier, whether for FM or AM, and there is an excellent EMEGC. So this is also another cause for us to repair. Let's go. This is the integrated circuit pin out, and pin number 4 and 7 are the output of the amplified IF. What is supposed to be is that pin 7 connects to ratio detector to extract audio out, then to the audio amplifier. Since this does not happen, ratio detector was checked but seems to be okay. This leads to conclusion that pin 7 is not functioning. It might be for damage of the IC or burn or whatever. Now pin number 4 is connected to FM filter. By connecting a wire from pin number 4 to audio amplifier, you obtain an audio output. It is a dirty output audio mixed with intermediate frequency, but it is the only solution for the time being. Especially IC is obsolete and we have no other replacement. And even if we have replacement, it's not guaranteed that it will produce the same performance. This was the previous repair I made long time ago, and I'm going to adopt it as is because we do not have better option, and that is sad. Additional filtration will be needed through the use of caps to alleviate the resonance coming from the IF. Electrolytics. It has 10 electrolytes, but we will come back to that later. So now, if we just it's okay, but for the capacitors, we have to check them all because some of them may be already dead, so we need to change them. I've already named them like this: C1, C2, C3, C4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to check them one by one. After we check out, we found the following: 7 of our capacitors are already bad, very bad, and 3 of them are still okay. So we will replace the 7 capacitors with those following capacitors. Some of them are new, some of them are taken from scratch. Okay, here's the details. The C10 is 100 microfarad. It reached 85 microfarads, and that's bad. So we replaced it with 1/90. Also, C9 is okay. It's reading 32 microfarads, so it's more than 22. That's good. C8 is also nice. It's reading 4,800 nanofarads. That's nice. C7 is also okay. So we have 3. And we have 1, 2, 3. C9, C8, C7. It's reading 4,556 nanofarads. Yeah, it's reading 456 microfarads, and that's okay. So C6 is 100 microfarad. Unfortunately, it is bad, so we replaced it. It's reading 85 microfarads. C5, 1 microfarad is 800 nanofarads, and that's too low. should read at least 900 nanofarads. This one is also the same. C3 is very, very bad. Instead of 22 microfarads, or at least 20 or 190 something, it is reading 94 microfarads. That indicates it's already dead and lost its capacity. The other two here, 1000 microfarads, they are reading 850, 820, 830, and that's too low. So we replaced them with something like 1000 microfarads. So let's go and install them all. So let's go ahead and change this wire. We want it to be looking good, and we want it to be spiffy, you know. So we have this EM wire, for shortwave wire. It's nice. We're going to use it for that. Let's put some wax on it to hold it in place.
مبدعين الاغتسال والتنظف والتطيب وأن يفعلوا ما فعلوا عند
Well, this is shortwave. I'm glad to hear something. That means everything is okay. This is FM. Where's FM? This is FM. Alright, so let's see. Okay. So this is the schematic for power supply rectifier, and it is a full wave rectifier. It is using a center tap transformer and two diodes. So when the wave is positive, this coil produces positive and negative, making D1 forward biased. Then we get the positive output half of the wave. And when the wave is negative, the same happened to the coil 2, making D2 forward biased and D1 reversed becomes reverse biased. This provides us with the other relatively half of the wave as a result. Now this way is old way. It is using a costly center tap transformer. Later on, bridge rectifier appeared, and it is using normal transformer, and that is cheaper and more effective. Now let's have a look on the radio right now. As you can see, everything is arranged and fit in place. We provided positive pole. So let's have a look on the other side. The other side is also the same. We have changed the wires for the speaker with more handsome wires and nice, and also we covered the transformer with paper so that it will be a little bit acceptable. Then we have arranged the wires correctly, better than before. All right, now let's go and continue.
Alfafi is tired. He will continue tomorrow. But he said he is not happy. FM is not correctly restored. He is apologizing for that.
So our tests have led us to this tiny IF transformer. And yes, it is damaged, because after examination we found out that its middle pin is totally cut from any other. Now, to work out this problem, we should rewind it again. And to do that, we have to unlock its structure by unwinding its coils to see where to start and where to stop, etc. Now here is the format of this transformer, where coil 1, 2 and 3 are noted with their start and finish points. We also know the direction of winding, and that's anti-clockwise. So the next step would be to rebuild this transformer again. I already have in my savings this container having a lot of tiny wires, and I will use for this one this sample, which I call it Z sample, which is nearly the same as the IFT, and it's working with all my registers that I have already created. So I'm going to use it for building this IF transformer. Alright guys, it works. That's nice. But still the other one, we need also to do the same. Not yet. Yeah, absolutely not yet. We'll go for the same procedure to the blue one also.
إخوتنا المستمعين أيها الأعزاء، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أسعد الله أوقاتكم بالخيرات حين طائر.
عشنا مثلا فوق 60 سنة الآن، واللي قبلنا عاشوا وما هاتش. في وصول منتخب بلاده إلى الدور الربع النهائي، حيث تأثر
العالمين.
لزمت والدي الذي كان
工作人员正在查看新型塑胶鱼排的锚固情况，督促指导养殖户做好排头设施加固。养殖户崔立勇，
我四周全部用铁栅加牢固架一样，排头就。
جاي كالقائد الظافر المنتصر من مكة. وتفقد الطير قال ما لي لا أرى الهدهد أم كان من الغائب.